Hi guys! Today we will be looking at reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are words ending in self and selves. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and the object of a sentence are the same. For example, I love myself. The reflexive pronouns are myself, yourself, himself, herself, oneself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, oneself, itself are singular reflexive pronouns referring to one person or thing. Ourselves, yourselves, themselves are plural reflexive pronouns referring to more than one person. Myself. I wrote the letter to myself. Yourself. You wrote the letter to yourself. Himself. Paul wrote the letter quickly to himself. Herself. Sandra read the letter aloud to herself. Oneself. One has to learn to write about oneself. Itself. The doll wrote a letter about itself. Ourselves. We wrote the letter about ourselves. Themselves. Paul and Sandra read the letter about themselves. Thank you very much, everyone. I truly hope this video was helpful. Please remember, you can look in the description and you will find many more videos to help you with grammar. You will also find videos to help you with reading. And please don't forget that our decodable readers are available on Amazon. And please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!